Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain PetFinder mobile app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, we'll quick in-depth review about PetFinder. PetFinder is a mobile app that helps you find affordable pet from shelters and rescues nearby you. You can search by location, breed, size, age, and more. Plus, see favorite and get alert when new animals match your fleet house, with photos, bios, and shelters contact information included. It's convenient ways to start your pet adoption journey right from your phone, but it's not perfect. Some user reports hot update listening, like pets that are no longer available, location showing incorrect distance, other mention app bugs, slow loading times, and poor response rate from shelters. So while PetFinder is a helpful tool for covering affordable pet, you may need to double check infos and follow up directly with a rescue centers to avoid frustration. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.